Hello, everybody. Hey, have you ever wondered, in the IFR environment, when pilots are taking off and they lift off the aircraft and they're up into the clouds, do they just fly away onto their en route course? Or are there some type of departure procedures? Well, as you might guess, yes, there are specific departure procedures. And today I want to get you started into understanding those departure procedures. Hey, welcome back to the Epic Flight Academy. Yours truly, Mike Thompson. And this is Epic's instrument rating course. Now, remember, to be successful in this course, there are three key parts. Number one, you must be in Epic's online instrument rating course and studying this material and the connected documents. Number two, view these videos. And number three, review this content in detail with your flight instructor. So what about these departures? Well, a good place to start is going to be with the FARs. And we want to start with FAR 91.175, and in particular, paragraph F as in Foxtrot. And we'll see there the civil airport takeoff minimums. Now, when you look at paragraph F, what I want you to notice is what's not there. What's not there are Part 91 operations. Notice the regulation refers to 121, 125, 129, and 135 operations. And they talk about takeoff weather minimums that are not prescribed under Part 97 for a particular airport. The following weather minimums apply for aircraft other than helicopters having 2 engines or less, 1 statute mile of visibility, and more than 2 engines, 1/2 statute mile visibility. So be sure to note that that does not apply to Part 91. Now, when you think about that, I want you to think about it in terms of risk management and aeronautical decision making. Have that conversation with your flight instructor. So when departure procedures are in place, where did they come from? How did they come about? Well, the answer to this question lies in the AIM Chapter 5, Section 2, Paragraph 9. We want to talk briefly about diverse departure assessment in the AIM 5-2-9. When an instrument approach is being designed for a particular airport, that airport undergoes this diverse departure assessment. Now, on the graphic here, you can see the way that they do this is they draw a line from the DER. That is pilot speak for departure end of the runway. They draw the line from the DER in all directions, and it slopes upward at 152 feet per nautical mile, or that's a 40-to-1 ratio. This line is known as the OIS. That is the obstacle identification surface. And in our diagram, that is the orange line here. That is the OIS. Now, they take that OIS, and if that plane, that OIS line, that geographic or that geometric imaginary plane, does not encounter any obstacles, then safe departure is assured if the following 3 criteria exist. Now, these 3 criteria are important and will come back to us multiple times as we talk about departure procedures from this point forward in your instrument career. Number 1, the aircraft must reach 35 feet AGL by the DER, departure end of the runway. Number 2, the aircraft must be able to achieve a 200 foot per nautical mile climb gradient. Now, listen carefully. I said 200 foot per nautical mile, not 200 feet per minute. And number 3, The aircraft will not make any turns until reaching 400 feet above the DER, or departure, end of the runway. If the OIS is penetrated by any obstacle, now those could be natural obstacles like hills, trees, or mountains, or man-made obstacles like towers and buildings, etc., then a non-standard departure criteria will be established and/or departure procedures will be developed. So come back and join us in future videos when we talk about these non-standard departure criteria and departure procedures. Well, folks, that about wraps it up for the diverse departure assessment. We'll see you next time.